Well, the Asian stocks opened in the green after US technology shares rallied and Treasuries advanced as well, with investors unwinding some of their year's dominant reflation trades. In fact, the Chinese equities will be in focus after US regulators proposed a ban on products from Huawei Technologies and four other Chinese electronic companies. Australian markets were up close to around 0.6% in trade, while Kospi was up nearly around 0.3% in trade. Nikkei was up as well, close to around 0.2% in trade. If you look at the US markets, S&P Dow Jones ended down for fourth day, while the tech stocks did rally as investors weighed Fed's new inflation outlook. Big technology stocks made a comeback on Thursday, pushing the NASDAQ to near a record close as longer-term Treasury yields plunged while commodity prices fell as the US dollar strengthened, dragging down some of the Dow's key components like Chevron as well as Caterpillar. First-time claims for unemployment benefits rose 37,000 to 412,000 in the week ended June 12, the highest level in a month. The yield on the 10-year Treasuries declined 6 pips to 1.5%. Dow was down 0.6% in trade at 33,823, while the S&P did close flat. Nasdaq was up 0.8% in trade, and we've already seen that the dollar in fact has strengthened to the highest level since mid-April, post Fed signaling nearly around 2 rate hikes in 2023. In Europe, the European shares ended a touch lower as hawkish signals from the US Federal Reserve raised concerns over early policy tightening, with mining stocks falling the most as commodity prices tumbled. Mining stocks were the worst performers, sinking 2.5% as the US central bank's comments lifted the dollar and dented commodity prices. Utility and chemical shares were also among the biggest decliners. Eurozone inflation rose and as expected in May, data showed on Thursday, driven by a sharp spike in energy prices and more expensive services. DAX was up 0.1%, while CAC was up 0.2%. FTSE was down nearly around 0.4% in trade. If you look at the oil prices, well, the WTI crude fell 1.6% to $70.9 a barrel on a stronger dollar, and gold futures also did fall 4.7%, the most in about 10 months, as the dollar index has rallied, and we have seen the EM currencies, including the Indian rupee, weakening against the US dollar on the back of dollar strength.